Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram. Sorry, we cannot log you in Instagram. If you're using Instagram and whenever you try to switch your account or you try to log in your Instagram account, you face this type issue that you cannot log in. So let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back and you have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a strongest and a stable network connection. It might be Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back, open your settings app here, go for general here, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. Then go back from here, and you have to go for the date and time section, and you have to enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. And after doing that, you can go back and here you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you have any pending software update, try to update the software, then go for App Store here, search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you're on the latest version of Instagram. If you find any pending update here, you have to try to update your Instagram app. And after updating, simply go back and you have to retry if your issue is fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed, you will have to open your settings app again, go for general section, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, then select reset network settings. From the confirmation message pop-up, it will reset all of your network settings. So it will not delete your data, so you can easily try this, and after doing that your issue will be fixed. But in some cases, if you are still getting the same issue, so it might be that there will be any bug or any malware in your Instagram app. Not to fix that, you have a simple way. You have to go for general again, go for iPhone storage section, look for your Instagram app, and here you have two ways. You can try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete the app. If you try offload app, it will uninstall or delete app from your phone, but it will not delete app data. So after offloading, you can simply reinstall with the same app data, or if you delete app, it will completely delete your Instagram app with app data. So you can try this, and after doing that, issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.